So before going to the internship, so generally, we learn the course first, right? So we people are learning the course. Then what is the difference between learning the course and doing internship? So why do we do internship separately? We are already learning the course. So during the course, first we learn the concept, then we can work for the project. Am I right? So you can will build the project during our course. Again, we are going for internship. Why do we go for internship? So coming to the internship, point number 1. See, first we are learning the course in the Software Training Institute. So coming to the internship, we'll be doing internship in the IT software company. So where do we do internship? We do internship in the software company. So we do internship in the software company. Then question number 1. So what is the software company? So where do we do internship? What is the company name? Tell me, what is the software company? Ramana Soft. There is a IT software company called Ramana Soft. So the Ramana Soft main branch is at Madhapur. The main branch is at Madhapur. The sub branch is at Aditya Trade Center. So he is the Ram Prasad, CEO of Ramana Soft. So what are the activities we do as part of internship? So all those activities are taken care by our CEO, Ramana Soft CEO Ram Prasad sir only. So he is going to explain about the induction program, like what is internship, what are the projects are going on there, so who are the client, what is the duration, and which type of certificates we are going to provide. So he is going to explain all those details. So I am handing to Ram Prasad sir. He is going to explain the clear details about the internship program at Ramana Soft.
So basically, whatever you learned in the particular critical concepts, so we need to implement on a project. So we need to implement on a project, we need to derive a project, so which is executable and which is delivered to the client. Okay, so it is a exponential learning in the project, so by using implementation. So what do you mean by implementation, sir? So whatever you are understanding as part of your critical classes, so we have an opportunity to work on a project. So that is what we can call it as internship. So here, so we are looking for more opportunities in the internship. Okay. So what are the opportunities we do have? So from Ramana Soft, so we are offering Python internship, so Python full stack, Java full stack, so UI full stack, so data science. Okay, so testing. So in the testing we have several modules. So software process management. So we do have a business analyst, Scrum Master, and product owner. So why do we require all these things? So for you people. So why? Because so the implementation is not only for UI. So it is back-end functionality. So front-end UI and so process management. Okay, and data science integration for your project. So all together we can call it as a project or internship. So you have a collaboration with software testers, okay, other developers in other modules, okay, as well as data scientists. So for your project, data scientists will give you the reports, okay. So next, Scrum Masters, so a particular management person, one who handle and one who associated with you, and he can able to drive your project. So conducting the meetings, okay, so tracking your status, all these things taken care by process management opportunities. So these are the facilities we are offering to you. So from the Ramana Soft. So these are the domains. What do you mean by domain? So domain is where we are engaging the customers or what kind of projects we are delivering to the customers. So that means targeted audience. We need to understand how we are serving the customer. So domain is so a particular, so we have an insurance domain, so where we are working with so property insurance. So the property insurance comes with, so if you have an house, so you can able to purchase the insurance. So we have a health insurance, you already familiar with, so life insurance. So those are the 3 domains which we are handling in the insurance. Okay, so we need to design insurance project, so UI implementation, so backend implementation in Java, Python. Okay, so data scientists, so they are coming up with machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, prompt engineering. So all this comes together as a project. So next domain is banking domain. So we do have a internal core banking application and mobile banking application. Okay, so e-learning. So you already familiar with this. So how we can able to learn applications. Okay, so through online. Next, e-commerce. So in the e-commerce we have three domains: business to business, business to customer, customers to customer. So these are the existing domains we are handling from Ramnasoft. How? So you need to work on your project. The same thing we can able to have a facility in the Ramnasoft. So you can able to have a daily coordination of team members. So you can able to part of that particular project. Next, so what are the tools we are using? So to connect with your team members. So we are giving a facility. So with our in-house tool, connect.ramnasoft.com, which is similar to your WhatsApp. So we have a mobile app. So we have a web application where we can able to communicate between different cross teams. As I mentioned, we have a front-end developers and back-end developers, right? How you can able to communicate? We are offering offline and online. So the people may be available in online. So we can have a common communicator. So where we can able to speak in the meetings or conducting the meetings and chatting. So video calls. So to connect with between the team members and delivering the status. So to track our status. So as we are in the Scrum and Kanban, so we are using two tools called Jira and Rally. So Jira is a process management tool and Rally is also a process management tool. So we can create small piece of work and assign to you. You need to complete that and revert back to the particular testing team. So the process will be tracked by Jira and Rally kind of tools. For testers, we do have a AIO as a test management tool. So those people will handle, testers will handle. So writing the test cases, executing the test cases, identifying the bugs will be taken care by AIO. So you also need to have these interactions with the team as you are collaborating with the testers. So next, so we do have an internal HireWire tool, so which is useful to track your video interview status. So we can share a couple of questions bi-weekly. So you need to improve your skills by doing this practice or by doing this implementation. So we have couple of questions in the tool. So you can able to turn on your video. So the tool will give you a facility to turn on the video and speak about the answers. Write the code. All these comes under HireWire. So that we can able to replay and see where you are wrong or how you are committing the mistakes in your answers. You are clear enough with the answers, right? So I damn sure out 5 out of 5. But other person we need to accept it, right? Whether it's 5 out of 5 or 0 out of 5. So before going to that actual interview, we are giving a facility with a video interview, HireWire. So you can able to replay, you can able to confirm whether you are 5 out of 5 or 3 out of 5. So that if you have a gaps, you need to review yourself and you can able to fix it. So those kind of facility we are providing over there. So that is the tools and technologies which we are using as part of Ramnasoft. So we have multiple domains, we have multiple technologies, so we have multiple tools at the Ramnasoft. So we do have a mentors. So mentors means it is not a lecture, sir. So we are providing the KT sessions, knowledge transfer. Your seniors, your leads, your managers, your scrum masters, your product owners, helping you to improve your domain knowledge, technical knowledge, and so all the things which is required to complete your internship. Okay, it is a two-way. It is not only one way. So whatever you are learning, whatever you are doing, that is good from you, and we are trying to groom your skills to give the best delivery from you. Okay, so these are the people in the system to help you in the mentoring you. So duration of the internship, so we are providing 3 months internship every day 4 hours and weekly 5 days. Saturday is a grooming session, so you can able to utilize that Saturday for your pending works. So 5 days, 5 into 4, okay, 20 hours per a week, and 12 weeks, 240 hours we are engaging you in the implementation of your project, so that whatever you are learning you can able to accommodate in the project comfortably. Okay, so this is the practice. Learn, practice and implement is the core agenda of Ramnasoft. So you already learning the things and you are practicing it as well. So we can try to accommodate last part, implementation, right? So what are the policies we do have? So to complete your internship and get your internship certificate. So no unplanned leaves. So we are not accepting the unplanned leaves. So you need to be regular. You need to give the deliveries based on the time allocated to you. And prior permission is required all kind of leaves, sir. So you need to inform your team members. So as I am absent, so because of emergency. So that information is required. If not, we can able to cancel the internship. Next. So daily status submission is mandatory, sir. As I mentioned earlier. So if you are not delivering what you are performing, we can't able to track you. We can't able to give you recommendations to fix your problem. So we do have a daily status submission. So we can call it as a scrum call. So participation of all KT sessions, sir. As we are engaging some lectures, so on your project to groom your skills, you should be mandatorily participate on that particular KT sessions. That is also counts. So to give the certifications. So attending mock interviews, sir. So bi-weekly we do have a video interview sessions and mock interviews. So you need to be participate and improve your skills and show us your good progress. Okay, dress code, sir. So you need to come in formal. So that is very important. So you can able to maintain your professionalism. So you can able to quit all your bad habits here and come to the internship. So with formal dress, and so you need to have a learning attitude. So these are the things from policies. Okay. So anything you need to inform to your scrum master and your leads. So and proceed further. Next, certificate, sir. So we are giving the certification of 3 months completed after completion of your internship. So we are providing the 3 months internship certificate to you. Okay. So while entering into the Ramanasoft premises, we are welcoming you with internship offer letter. So while you are finishing your project, if there is no pending work from your side for allocated work, so if you are done, so we can able to arrange a internship completion certificate. So we'll issue it through your email, so you can able to receive that. Okay. So before that, so we are conducting a couple of mock interviews, bi-weekly one mock interview, right? You need to participate and you need to clear it. And we are creating a mega mock. So in between 3 months, after 2.5 months, so you can able to attend, you can able to clear that interview. Right? This is the process where we are delivering your internship certificate. Your attendance is matter, so your behavior is matter, and your work is matter. So if it is there, so we can able to offer you internship certificate. So by using that certificate, you can try with, okay, so certified internship person, so for your job openings. Okay, right. So placements. So as you complete the internship, so you are theoretically strong, so and practically also strong. So you already completed 3 months internship project. So you can easily get a job, and our primary priority, our first priority is interns, one who completed the project. Right? So you need to clear the mock test. So without clearing the mock test, can we able to offer a placement? Absolutely not. So that is the reason we have a prerequisite of clearing the mock. So for that, we do have a net practice of every 2 weeks. We are conducting the interview, right? So that by clearing, 3 mock interviews, 4th one is the mega mock. So that is what we do have a placement policy here. Right. So you have any questions, guys? So you need to create @outlook.com. So to enter into the particular Ramanasoft. So we are providing internal tool called connect.ramanasoft. You can able to collaborate with us. So you can able to provide all your leave policies. So and all the things through communicator. And we have a mentors to support you in all the possibilities to groom your skills. Right? So any questions?
See, stipend facility also there after 3 months if your
Yes, sir.
performance is really good.
Eligibility criteria, you have to finish your course, sir. You do have a basic communication skills, basic technical skills. So and good attitude to perform 4 hours work. That is the eligibility criteria.
Very simple, sir. Some task will be assigned to you. Because if you go for any IT company, you will be allocated to the project, right? Once project is allocated, you will get the requirements from the client. and those requirements are assigned to you, like tasks are assigned to you. Once tasks are assigned to you, what you have to do? You have to develop the code as per that requirement and deliver that code to the client, right? As part of development, so what is our activity? We need to implement the code, that's it. Implement the code as per the requirement. Just understand the requirement. As per the requirement, we need to develop the code and we need to deploy the code, deliver the code to the client. So that is the task. If you are able to implement that code, means yes, you are eligible 100%. But to develop the code, first you need to understand the code during the course. That is the reason. So why the course is mandatory means you have to work for the task directly. Again, there is no classes there. So task will be assigned to you. You have to implement the code, write the code and deploy the code, deliver it to client. And every 1 week you have to demo, give the presentations to the client, like this task is completed by me. See, the main importance of internship is, if you go for any interview, the people are asking questions like, what are the challenges you are facing while working for the project? When do you say those challenges? Or why companies are giving high priority to the intents? Companies are giving more priority to the intents because interns are getting live experience in the project itself. Like what is project, when they are getting the project requirement, when they are starting the code implementation, how they are delivering those code to the client. We can tell all those things because you are getting live experience in the company, right? So that is the reason easily we can crack the interview. So once you've done internship at 3 months, simply, you can easily crack the interview. But if you are unable to complete the task, then you may get escalations to your manager. Are getting my point? So once you go to the internship, completion of your task is mandatory. Whether you are taking your manager help, whether you are taking your faculty help, doesn't matter. We have to complete the task and we have to deliver those tasks to the client. Okay, even if you observe nowadays, if you go for any software project, we are following software models like process, right? So nowadays all companies are following a model called which software model nowadays companies are following? Agile. What is the model? Agile model. Even you have to follow agile model in this Ramnasoft company. If it is the agile model, one Scrum Master will be there. Why Scrum Master is required for agile model? The Scrum Master will track end-to-end status of your activities. What are the activities you are doing every day? The Scrum Master will track. Scrum Master will be your manager. You have to attend every day status call. Who will be taking status call? Scrum Master. See, if you have any questions, if you have any challenges, then whom should you discuss with? Scrum Master. Every day we have a status call. In the status call, you have to give status update on 3 questions. What are those 3 questions? So what did you do yesterday? What are you doing today? And do you have any obstacles or any challenges in the project? You have to explain these 3 points to the Scrum Master. What are those 3 points? What did you do yesterday? How much percentage completed yesterday? Now what you are working on it? And when are you going to complete this? And any challenges you are facing for the project, you just explain about all those 3 things. Reading my point? Like, so you follow agile process. For this, there will be one instructor for you people, that is Raviteja sir. So we have a Raviteja sir, he is the instructor for your team. So he is full stack developer, complete React.js. First, if you take any software project, first we will work with UI only. First we will work with UI. And which technology we are using for this UI? React.js. I think you people already trained on React.js, right? So you are ready to work on React.js projects, right? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Yes. So you will be allocated to UI project first. See, your UI task will be assigned to you. Then one mentor for you people. If you have any challenges, for example, if you are not able to start the code, then go to the mentor, just check with him. Sir, this is a task assigned to me. How do I start? Initial days, for 1 week you can take the instructions. From 2nd week onwards, you can able to do the project. And during 3 months, one module will be assigned to you guys. You have to complete that module. If you are really completing your module, then easily you can crack the job. Any interview you can easily crack the job. Why? Because you are getting that live experience in the company. So when to start, how to start, everything you will, gain this live experience. Any other questions from anyone? So now what we will do, we'll go to the Ramnasoft company, we'll visit there. So along with our Ram Prasad sir, just we'll have our premises, just we'll look into it, and our actual program will be started from Monday onwards. So Monday there is no holiday sir, no Holi for our people. So we'll celebrate Holi after getting the job. Okay, so Monday onwards we'll be starting our regular sessions. We'll give the time slot for you people. So during that time slot, in, out, both will be there. So we'll track. Okay, and so as mentioned by our CEO, formal dress. Please maintain formal dress. So in the institute, we are not considering these dresses and all. But now we are going to company. So maintain formal dress and maintain good communication with your colleagues. In the institute, whatever communication there, it's okay. But if you are going to the company, means maintain good rapport, maintain good communication with your colleagues, with your managers, or with your scrum master, anything. So maintain proper communication. Why? Because after getting the job, again you have to go to IT company there. IT company only, right? So once you enter the IT company, again you have to follow all these instructions. ID card will be given. You have to do swipe in, swipe out. You have to report your status every day. You have to send email. So once your tasks are completed, or if you have any challenges, then you have to interact with the scrum master. Are you getting my point? So now you people are going to do all these activities in the live environment at Ramnasoft. Okay, thank you Ram Prasad. Thanks for giving this
Thank you,
wonderful
guys.
presentation.